Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the National Research Act. The National Research Act, enacted in the United States in 1974, is a landmark piece of legislation that laid the foundation for ethical principle and oversight in research involving human subjects. It was a response to ethical concern arising from controversial studies such as the Tuskegee syphilis study and the Milgram experiment. The Act key component and consequences includes: first one is the creation of the National Commission. The National Research Act established the National Commission for the projection of the human subject of biomedical and behavioral research. The Commission was tasked with the identifying ethical principles and guidelines for the research involving human subject. Second is the ethical principles, the Belmont Report. The National Commission's most significant contribution was the development of the Belmont Report in 1979. This report introduced three fundamental ethical principles for human subject research. First one is the respect for person, protecting the autonomy of the individual and ensuring informed consent. Second one is the beneficence, maximizing benefit and minimizing the harm to the participant. Third one is the justice, ensuring equitable distribution of the research benefits and burdens. Third one is the informed consent. The National Research Act emphasized the importance of obtaining informed consent from research participant. Researcher must provide clear and understandable information about the study purpose, procedure, potential risk and benefits to enable the participant to make informed decision. Next is the Institutional Review Board, that is IRB. The Act required that all research proposals involving human subject funded by the US Department of the Health, Education and Welfare and Human Service undergo review by the Institutional Review Board, ensure that research adhere to the ethical guidelines and safeguard participant rights and welfare. Next is a vulnerable population. The Act recognized the need for additional safeguards when involving vulnerable population. For example, children, poisoners, pregnant women. In research, special protection were mandated to prevent exploitation and ensure ethical treatment. Next is a federal regulation. The National Research Act paved the way for the development of the regulation and policies governing human subject research. This regulation, known as the Common Rule, provide a framework for the ethical conduct of research involving federal funding. Next is the penalties and enforcement. The Act established penalties for researchers who fail to adhere ethical guidelines, including potential suspension or termination of federal research funding. Next is the legacy and impact. The National Research Act and Belmont Report have had a profound impact on research, ethics and practice worldwide. They laid the groundwork for the ethical conduct of research, the establishment of IRB and protection of human subject. In summary, the National Research Act is a seminal piece of the legislation that led to the establishment of ethical principles, guidelines, and oversight mechanism for the research involving human subject. It has fundamentally shaped the ethical landscape of research and continue to influence the responsible conduct of scientific inquiry. That's all about the National Research Act. Thank you.